BYO blanket.
Yeah.
Because this room's set for Perry.
Yeah. Wouldn't it be great if we got to a point where a woman's leading a business meeting and she goes, apologies for the cold room, I'm going through menopause. Unless you want me to do this meeting in your bra, I suggest you put a coat on.
At the moment, we're uniquely positioned as the only regional menopause health clinic in Victoria, and we hope that changes because we want all women to have access to this service. From the moment we opened our books, we have been flooded with women who have been crying out, wanting this place to exist. We want women to thrive through perimenopause and feel like it's the start of reclaiming themselves, and for it to be a really positive springboard for that chapter of their life.
There's this one called globus hystericus, which I just feel is really unfair. It's when you have a feeling of something in your throat and you're constantly clearing your throat, and it is attached to women. If we could rebrand that, that would be good. For anyone who's set up a business before knows that the out-of-pocket costs or the initial outlay can be quite great. And so the Credabl grant just came at exactly the right time, not only for the financial gains, but also advice and assistance.
And that really enabled us to do the sort of stage 2 of what we were hoping to do with Menopause Health Geelong. It let us springboard to the next phase, which is about advocating for women in this space.
Other aspects of the Credabl grant were really valuable. I have personally been doing the doctor coaching, which has been really great because I'm a GP who doesn't have any grounding in business and running a team, and to have that support to be able to do it properly and also to avoid burnout, because when it's your baby, you just want to put everything into it. And then there was the Qantas Business Points, which are probably earmarked for Rio 2026.
It really adds a beautiful element of excitement to the business in those early stages when it can feel like a lot of work getting everything organised. One of the components of the grant was that we were given money with the specific brief of take your team out for a celebratory meal. We've started these educational dinners where we connect with all of our Menopause Health Geelong doctors, but other people locally in the area, and we go out for an educational dinner to strengthen those contacts we have within the community to really make sure that Menopause Health Geelong isn't just driving forward the health of our women, that we're really looking to the greater population of Geelong. We're trying to grow this service forward because we really feel that all women deserve this level of care. And how do we get other people involved in this space?
We just want to bring everybody up and around with us. We want to try and engage with the whole region, become part of the region, and everyone has some buy-in, whether it be specialist level or patient level.
You've got these women who are often pulling back on work because they're losing their confidence in that space. They're not putting themselves forward for promotion anymore. And within 1 or 2 consultations, we can have turned that woman around, that she suddenly is pushing herself back out there. And she just feels like herself again.
If you are ground roots, if you are starting out, apply for this grant. It is the extra boost that you need. It's quite well-rounded with not only the cash incentive, but also the skills and the support.
So if you're passionate about your business, put it out there, get in touch with Credabl, apply for the grant, because if you're passionate about it, hopefully they'll feel that passion and they'll acknowledge it too.